Lord, in short, Lord, I am challenging an order now. Lord, that is challenging an order, Lord, that's passed by the district level committee of WB, CJ, MA, and district magistrate and collector, based on the basis of a report, Lord, that is, Lord, passed by a committee, whereby, Lord, the demolitions have been directed to be passed. And this report, this order was based on a judgment order delivered by the tribunal consisting of 5 judges, 5 members. Just your lordship's kindly similar. The order is kindly
Prior to you moving further, are all the respondents represented?
But I pay for the West Bengal pollution control.
I am for the
Everybody is.
I am for the central police.
I am for the
Yes.
I am for Union of India respondent number 1. Madam.
Who is for the West Bengal State Coastal Zone Management Authority? You represent. Then the National Coastal Zone, possibly you cannot. Union of India, is somebody there?
Sorry, are we?
Union of India.
এই তো।
Yes. We are for Union of India.
You are there.
Lord, that's it. 11 November 2024.
Hmm.
Kindly see, whereas as per order of Honorable NGT VD so and so regarding coastal regulation violation by hotels, restaurants, homestays in Mandarmani, Purvo Medipur, all stakeholders are hereby directed demolish and clean your illegal construction within so and so. So who are the stakeholders? What violations have been made by them? Nothing is there. A simple non-speaking order. This has been passed. Anyway, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly see, this is a order for demolition by a joint committee constituted by the Honorable Green Tribunal Special. Now, what are the hotels? Which hotels have been got the consent? What are the norms? Nothing has been done. The most important point is, my lord, whether this committee is having any power of adjudication. If adjudication power is not there, how he can pass an order? Adjudication power is rested with the Green Tribunal. Green Tribunal has delegated the power to the Millard Joint Committee. Can it be done, Millard?
Technical thing.
A team. Can it, Millard? Who will decide the dispute? Dispute will be decided by the statutory tribunal. Tribunal did not adjudicate. Tribunal didn't say which are the hotels have contravened the provisions, etc., etc. That has been delegated to a committee. Committee will earmark it. Committee will decide. Can the committee do it? Tribunal shall hear the disputes arising from the question referred to in subsection 1 and settle, my lord, here my important point is, and settle such disputes and pass orders thereon. Third, no application for adjudication of dispute under this section shall be entertained by the tribunal unless it is made within a period of 6 months from the date on which the cause of action for such dispute first arose. Then cause of action arose when the hotel was constructed, resort was constructed. And it started from 1996. How such a dispute can be entertained in the year 2019 or 2020, 18? Starting from commencement of 1996 to pre-2011, resorts have been made. The tribunal shall, while passing any order or decision or award, apply the principle of sustainable development, the precautionary principle, and the pollutory place principle. It is not the duty, go and demolish. Apply bulldozer policy. No. Tribunal has to see first that sustainable development, how it can be made, whether the precautionary principles can be done or not, and the polluter pays principle. These are the basic of it. I must show to your lordship when I am section 22. Appeal to Supreme Court. Any person aggrieved by any award, nominal kindly see, award, decision or order of the tribunal may file an appeal to the Supreme Court within 90 days. Correct, Mullah? Now the joint committee which has passed the order, that's not an appealable. That's not an appealable, whereby it has been directed to demolish. And they don't have the jurisdiction to pass the order. Nothing has been adjudicated. Certain principles have been laid down. Adjudication were required to be done under the act itself by the tribunal. And the principles which are there, polluters principles, polluters pay principles, substantial growth principle, etc., etc., that has not been taken care by the another committee. That is the most fundamental principle. To demolish is not the object of the act. If these are available, then you do it. That's the last resort. That's the last resort can be taken. Now, the committee has decided this joint committee. Joint committee judge order is not even a reasoned order. Joint committee has not identified. Joint committee has not entertained any claim. Joint committee has not. What is the reason? Whom they are? What are the evidences have been considered? Now, most importantly, CRJ notification has not been made so far West Bengal is concerned. The question of breach doesn't come at all. Now there are number of, but I do not want to take much of your lordships. Let me frame the questions to your lordships before your lordships for considerations to your lordships. If a committee doesn't have the power for adjudication, can he pass to demolish? Power which was vested with the tribunal under the act has not exercised the power. And the section 20, the parameters which have been there simply have been quoted. Parameters have not been considered. Therefore, whether it's a nullity or not, and the moreover, the point is 5 persons, that's a nullity itself. Committee's formation of the bench itself is a nullity. Now, just 1 minute. Lordship knows the blood. I am aware about this blood. Now, Lordship knows this blood that even order is without jurisdiction, writ court can entertain the matter. Law is so is well settled. I also take this point in collateral proceeding also. Writ court function and duties of the writ court ultimately is to see the substantial things. If an adjudicating authority does not discharge his duty delegated, that's a very simple thing. It's a totally illegal.